Hi, how you doing? Usually I have no issues to replace these SMD chips. Like in this case on the Nintendo Switch, this is the charging IC, the M92. And you just heat it up and take it out and put a new one. Many people are using fresh soldering on this one, so first you remove it, after you apply a fresh one. To be honest, usually I have no issues with this, but like in this case, sometimes we make mistakes, and that's alright. As long as we can fix it, it's not a problem. So let's take a look when it's not perfect. Can you see on the bottom, some of the legs are not really, not many of them actually good. Most of them is not make any contact. So we just, I wash it down, first with isopropyl alcohol, now we apply a fresh flux, and we're just going through with the soldering iron. If it's a little excess, you make a connection, that's alright. Just clean up the tip, you're going through again. And after a while it's gonna be fine. Sorry about the street noise. Alright, let's see the other side. Yep, we have issues there too. The good news with the Nintendo Switch, we have plenty of space around the chip, so we can work nicely. And better if you check your job twice, then connect it up and burn out another IC. In this case, the Nintendo Switch charging port was broken. Literally the pins were everywhere. It's made a short, it's burned out the tiny fuse after the charging port, and also we have to replace the M92. But that finally solved the issue. Once you finish, clean it up nicely. It's not just because we are proud of our work, but also it's easier to see any mistakes if you made some short. Alright guys, that's it now. Bye.
We hope you've been enjoying our videos, and if you do, please consider subscribing. Your support means a lot to us and enables us to dedicate more time to creating content like this. If there's anything specific you'd like to see, feel free to leave a comment, and we'll do our best to make it happen. Until next time, take care.